What if I told you the reason you're not building muscle isn't because you're not training hard enough? It's because you're probably doing one thing that almost every gym goer gets wrong. In fact, most people spend years lifting heavier and heavier only to look exactly the same. So what separates the 1% who transform their bodies from everyone else? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why, and it has almost nothing to do with the weight on the bar. Walk into any gym and you'll see the same pattern. People rushing through reps, swinging weights, using momentum instead of muscles. They're chasing numbers instead of results. Here's a question. If lifting heavier automatically built more muscle, why do some people stay the same year after year? Because muscles don't count reps, they respond to tension. Imagine trying to write with a pencil while someone keeps yanking your hand away. You'd never create smooth lines. Your muscles work the same way. If momentum is doing the work, your muscles never get the full message to grow. And that's mistake number 1. Now, here's where things get interesting. Most people think the movement starts with the weight. It doesn't. It starts before the weight even moves. Every great rep begins with one thing: stability. Think of your body like a skyscraper. Would you build the top floors before pouring the foundation? Of course not. Your core is that foundation. Plant your feet. Brace your core, pull your shoulders into a strong position. Now, and only now, move the weight. Speed is only useful once control comes first. Here's the formula that changes everything. Step 1. Choose a weight you can actually control. If you have to jerk it into position, it's probably too heavy. Step 2. Move through the full range of motion. Half reps create half the opportunity for muscle growth. Step 3. Slow down the lowering phase. Most people drop the weight. Instead, imagine you're resisting gravity every inch of the way. That's where a huge amount of muscle stimulation happens. Step 4. Feel the target muscle working. Not your joints, not your ego, the muscle. If you're training your chest but only feel your shoulders, something needs adjusting. Keep consistent breathing. Brace before the effort. Exhale as you push or pull through the hardest part. Simple, but incredibly powerful. Now, let's level up. Stop thinking about moving the weight. Start thinking about moving your body through space. That tiny mindset shift improves muscle engagement almost instantly. Leave your ego outside the gym. Sometimes reducing the weight by 20% actually increases muscle growth. Sounds backwards, but better movement beats bigger numbers almost every time. The smartest lifters usually make the fastest progress. So here's what we've learned. Stop chasing heavier weights. Build stability first. Control every rep. Use a full range of motion. Slow down the lowering phase and make every repetition intentional. Now, here's your challenge. The next time you're in the gym, perform just 10 flawless reps on your first exercise. No rushing, no cheating, just complete control. I guarantee those 10 reps will feel harder and far more effective than the last 20 you've been doing. Because real progress doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing it right. If you found this helpful, keep practicing, stay patient, and remember, perfect reps build powerful bodies. I'll see you in the next video.